Hello everyone, welcome to this new session, and in this session we will discuss about political ideology, socialism. 10 important questions with explanation and one special question for you, that is your homework question. So don't be late and let's start the session. But before start the session, first we will discuss about our homework question. Okay, and our homework question was that who is the author of the book The End of History and the Last Man? Okay, so what will be the correct answer? So correct answer of this question is that Francis Fukuyama. Okay, as you all know that a broader perspective end of history was adopted by Francis Fukuyama in his essay The End of History, which is published in the year of 1989. But later it developed into The End of History and the Last Man, which is published in the year of 1992. But in the end of history, Francis Fukuyama said that the history of ideas had ended, and also with it, fundamental ideological debate also ended. Okay, so this was our homework question. So let me start now today's session. Okay, so let's start. So first question of this session is that question number 1. The term socialist derived from which word? So options are Greek word, Latin word, German word and French word. So correct answer of this question is that option number B, Latin word. Okay, as you all know that the term socialist derives from the Latin word sociare, which means to combine or to share. Okay, and in 1840 the term socialism was familiar in the range of industrialized countries, most notably France, Belgium and German states. Okay, so what is socialism? Socialism as an ideology has traditionally been defined by its opposition to capitalism, okay, and attempt to provide a more human and social alternatives. Okay, then question number 2. Who is the author of the book Evolutionary Socialism? So options are Patrick Webb, Edward Bernstein, Sidney Webb and Bernard Shaw. So correct answer of this question is that option number B, Edward Bernstein. Okay, and as you all know that Edward Bernstein is a German socialist politician and theorist, and also he wrote the book Evolutionary Socialism, which is published in the year of 1898. And in this book he developed ideas that paralleled the Fabian belief in gradualism, and also he argued that economic crises were becoming less, not more acute. Okay, and he drew attention to the steady advance of the working class, and the working class could use the ballot box to introduce socialism. Okay, which would therefore develop as an evolutionary growth of capitalism. Okay, so he created some important working class political parties. In this year, Australian Labour Party, which is formed in 1892, then UK Labour Party formed in 1900, then Italian Socialist Party formed in 1892. Okay, so next question number 3. Who is the pioneer of the cooperative movement? Options are Robert Owen, option B Saint Simon, option C R.S. Downey and option D Leon Trotsky. So correct answer of this question is that option number A, Robert Owen. Okay, as you all know that Robert Owen is a British socialist and individualist, and he is the pioneer of the cooperative movement. And by the early 1830s, the followers of Robert Owen in the UK and Henry de Saint Simon in France had started to refer to their belief as socialism. Okay, and Robert Owen wrote the book A New View of Society, which is published in the year of 1816. Okay, then question number 4. Who believed that humankind is marked by radical inequality? Options are fascist, feminist, socialist and anarchist. So correct answer of this question is that option number A, fascist. Okay, yes, fascists believe that humankind is marked by radical inequality, both between leaders and followers and between the various nations or races of the world. Okay, and feminists take equality to mean sexual equality. Okay, but in the sense of equal rights and equal opportunities or equal social or economic power. Okay, that is the feminist. And socialists regard equality as a fundamental value and in particular endorse social equality. Okay, and anarchist place a particular stress on political equality, and he believes in absolute social equality achieved through the collective ownership of productive wealth. Okay, then question number 5. Who said Leninism is Marxism of the era of imperialism and of the proletarian revolution? Okay, options are Marx, Lenin, Stalin and Mao. Okay, so correct answer of this question is that and option C, Stalin. As we all know that Stalin was the leader of the Soviet Union from the mid 1920s until his death in 1953. And under Stalin's rule, the concept of socialism in one country became a central tenet of Soviet society. Okay, and he replaced the new economic policy introduced by Lenin in the early 1920s with a highly centralized command economy, launching a period of industrialization and collectivization. Okay, then as a result, in the rapid transformation of the USSR from an agrarian society into an industrial power. Okay, then question number 6. Who among the following says that the workers do not spontaneously become socialist, but only trade unionist, and revolutionary ideology must in consequence be brought to them by professional revolutionaries? Okay, options are option A, Marx, option number B, Stalin, option number C, Mao, option number D, Lenin. Okay, and correct answer of this question is that option number D, Lenin. Okay, yes, Lenin is was a Russian communist revolutionary politician and political theorist, and politically a Marxist. His theoretical contribution to Marxist thought are known as Leninism. His coupled with Marxian economic theory have collectively come to be known as Marxism-Leninism. Okay, so then question number 7. Who is the author of the book State and Revolution? Options are Lenin, Stalin, Marx and Mao. Okay, and correct answer of this question is that option number A, Lenin. As we all know that Lenin was a Russian Marxist revolutionary and theorist, and he was first leader of the Soviet state. Okay, and Lenin wrote the book The State and Revolution, which is published in the year of 1917. Okay, and in this book outlined Lenin's firm commitment to the insurrectionary road and rejected bourgeois parliamentarism. Okay, and here some other works: What is to be done, which is published in the year of 1902, and Imperialism, the High Stage of Capitalism, 1916. Okay, then question number 8. Choose the correct one. Options are The Acquisitive Society by Antonio Gramsci. Option number B, Erosion and Civilization by R.H. Tawney. Option number C, The Revolution Betrayed by Leon Trotsky. And option number D, Prison Notebooks by Herbert Marcuse. Okay, so correct answer of this question is that option number C, The Revolution Betrayed by Leon Trotsky. Okay. Yes, R.S. Tawney wrote the book The Acquisitive Society, which is published in the year of 1921. Then Herbert Marcuse wrote the book Erosion and Civilization, which is published in the year of 1958. Then Leon Trotsky wrote the book The Revolution Betrayed, which is published in the year of 1937. Then Antonio Gramsci wrote the book Prison Notebooks, which is published in the year of 1929. Then move to next question. Question number 9. The German ideology written by Marx, Hegel, Lenin and Stalin. So correct answer of this question is that option number A, Marx. Okay. As we all know that Karl Marx is a German philosopher, economist and revolutionary. and he wrote the book The Germany Ideology, which is published in the year of 1846. And in this book, he identified four stages. First one is primitive communism, in which material scarcity provided the principal source of conflict. Then slavery, the decovering unsaid societies and characterized by conflict between masters and slaves. Then third one is feudalism, and it marked by antagonism between landowners and slaves. Then fourth one is capitalism, and it is dominated by the struggle between the bourgeois and the proletariat. Okay, then question number 10. Who gave the slogan turn the imperialist war into a civil war, that is into a proletarian revolution? Okay, so options are option number A Trotsky, B Engels, C Kautsky and D Lenin. Okay, so correct answer of this question is that option number D Lenin. Okay, yes, this slogan turn the imperialist war into a civil war, that is into a proletarian revolution, given by Lenin. And in his thesis that the imperialism is the last stage of capitalism, hence to organize proletarian revolution, imperialist wars should be converted into a civil war, leading to the downfall of both capitalism and its supporting structure of imperialism. Okay. Okay, so this session is over for today. Okay, and as I say one special question for you, that is your homework question. Okay, and your homework question is that who is the author of the book What is to be Done? Okay, and yes, you can give this answer in comment section, and we will discuss about this answer in next lesson. So till then, stay fit and fine. Thank you.